The L sit. So the L sit we're going to do with a few different variations. The variations will be depends on how much experience you have with it. It can be quite an uncomfortable exercise, you've been warned. So the beginner version, what we're going to do is just keep the legs out nice and straight. You're going to push your shoulders forwards, and then you can have your hands, like for this one it doesn't really matter the position, but you're going to lean forwards, push your hands into the ground, straighten the arms out, push the shoulders forwards, and then lift your butt off the ground. So at the top we'll hold and then lower back down. Hold and lower back down. Now the next variation, and if your wrists feel like they're a little bit sensitive, then you can use dumbbells, or if you've got them, parallettes, or even like lacrosse balls to lift your heels up so you're not putting quite so much stress through your wrists. And you can use that for any of the variations, but the most complicated variation is probably going to be a little tricky to do on balls, so use your best judgment. The next variation is we're going to do the same thing but with one leg lift. So you're going to pull yourself into position, hold here, and then lift, 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 other side, lift, 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 and come back down. You might get a little bit of cramping happening through there. I noticed a little bit in myself. That's okay, it's kind of part of the process of adjustment. The next variation we're going to do with the feet supported up on the wall or something solid. So you're going to bring your feet maybe, what is that, 6 inches off the ground, something like that. Feet are going to be together. Again, you're going to be compressed forward, so engaging through the hips. Fingertips are going to be sideways to forward, somewhere around there. And then shoulders forwards, lifting up, pressing the heels into the wall, hold, and down again. So that's the wall variation. And then if you've got it, then you can do the free variation, like so, hold, and down. That is your L sit.